Welcome to our guide on making money with AI tools in 2025. Discover the potential these technologies hold and how you can benefit. Method 1 is freelancing with AI. Leverage tools for graphic design, writing, and digital marketing to enhance your service offerings. The second method is to invest in AI-driven stocks or startups. Understanding the AI market landscape is crucial for smart investments. Next, consider creating AI-powered products or services. Develop applications that harness AI capabilities to meet market needs. Method 4 is affiliate marketing using AI tools. These tools help you reach the right audience through targeted marketing strategies. Finally, automate business processes with AI tools. They can save time and reduce costs for small businesses, enhancing efficiency. Look at future trends in AI tools and their impact on income opportunities. Staying ahead means understanding what's coming next. To maximize your earnings, stay updated on AI advancements. Follow industry news and engage in continuous learning. In conclusion, explore these proven methods to make money with AI tools. The future is bright, so start your journey today.